Let's take you through toys which are suitable for 1 to 2 years and our best wooden ceiling toys. First is this handball. It comes in 4 different colors, so you can actually later on do it like a color spotting as well, and these balls, and it will come out from here. Next is the slippery car. Trust me, for a kid it's not easy to put this, and it needs practice. Xylophone to make music. And this is a wooden peg hammer. You can also use it for putting the peg in the holes. That's a very good game for the kid. And our magnetic fishing board. This is also a chunky puzzle, and it's got base images. And all of these are priced below $399. Hope this video is helpful.